Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Whoever is watching this video, this is chemistry video which is useful for Army Technical as well as Army Nursing Assistant. I don't recommend for Army GD and tradesman, but I just want you to have a look. So you may be asked few questions from technical, the hard questions. If you want to gain those 3 to 4 questions which have been asked in chemistry and physics, so they are very important. I want you guys to focus on it. So let us start what questions have been given in the chemistry. Oxygen and ozone. These are all allotropic forms of, you should know about oxygen and ozone. They are all allotropic forms, and we should know about isotopes and isobars and isotones. So this is one thing you should remember. For the carbon, you have allotropic forms like Buckminster Fullerene C60, diamond and graphite. So they are all allotropic forms. So in the same manner, you should know about oxygen also. Next we have, in nuclear reactor, the speed of the neutrons is slowed down by the heavy water. Why the heavy water is used? Normally heavy water is like deuterium oxide, D2O. So this type of heavy water is used to slow down the process in the nuclear reactors. It will be used as a moderator. You should know about all these nuclear fusions and fission, all these reactions. When it comes to caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, and we have cobalt 60, which is commonly used in the radiation therapy. You should know about the radiation therapy which are very useful in cancer and chemotherapy. In that cobalt 60, what exactly they emit is beta rays. The gamma rays, you know about the gamma rays, they are most penetrating and dangerous rays, guys, which may affect your human body, and we should not undergo every time MRI scan or something like that, which is not favorable for your health. The acid used in eye wash is known as boric acid. Normally for the cleaning of eyes it can be used. When it comes to oxalic acid, because of this oxalic acid we will have the kidney stones, and you should know about the oxalic acids. You will find maximum in palak. I want you guys to comment me in the section what is the English name of palak. Nitric acid, HNO3. Normally manufacture of fertilizers, dyes and explosives, in that nitric acid is used. You should know about trinitrotoluene, trinitrobenzene. So these are all RDX examples of explosives in which nitric acid is used. The chemical formula of nitric acid is HNO3. When it comes to hydrochloric acid, HCl, which is also a stomach acid example, and it is also known as muriatic acid, guys. When it comes to garlic, the acid present in garlic, or we can see in onion, we have that sulfurous acid, sulfur. Normally in garlic, I'm not recommending in garlic, the sulfurous acid is found in onion. Because of that, we get the tears while cutting the onions. I want you guys to comment me where exactly this picric acid is found. You should know about chloropicrin. Normally in tear gases we use that chloropicrin content. Because of that we get burning sensation whenever they put the tear gas in the mob. There is any problem in society, the police will start firing the tear gas. When it comes to smoke, it's a colloid dispersion of solid in a gas, guys, very important. So solid in a gas example is smoke. When it comes to smog, it is smoke plus fog. It is a smog. Liquid and gas example, we have aerosol. So even example of fog is also liquid and gas, guys. When it comes to gas and solids, hydrogen is an example. So there are various things you should know about this. Plaster of Paris, POP we call it as. We know about in homes we used to put the POP, and we put on around the hand, it is a POP, guys. So where you can see. Now we have something very important. When it comes to that POP, plaster of Paris, is made of gypsum, guys. And we have soda ash, which is the name of sodium hydroxide, guys. which is also known as NaOH twice. Now we have something called as the process of sudden cooling is known as quenching. Very important. You should know about smoothing also. We will cut down the oxygen by putting the AFFF extinguisher on the fire like this. We just make a 8 knot. So here we can see the foam over the top of the place. So you don't have any oxygen, that will be cutting down. So that is called smoothing. Here sudden cooling is known as quenching. Should know about annealing. Diffusion, we should know maximum diffusive gas is nitrogen. Sedimentation also very easy to identify. Which are the most reactive element or metal, guys? This is potassium, guys. The most reactive when it comes to sodium, it directly in atmosphere it gets blast. But here the most reactive one is potassium. Normally you will find potassium in which place? I want you guys to comment. The chemical used as a fixer or developer in our photography, about before we used to make photography, we used to use sodium thiosulfide or silver bromide also we use in photography. So here it is as a fixer or developer in photography, that is sodium thiosulfide gas. The ultraviolet rays that can be checked by Crookes glass, very important. In atmosphere we have ultraviolet rays, so that can be easily slowed down with this Crookes glass. Because of this we can have the less power. When it comes to flint glass, silicon dioxide, which is with the lead or potassium it is made, and I want you guys, these flint glasses are used in manufacture of what? Comment me in this section. I told you, if you had taken that all in one, you have been given all those topics of flint glass, everything. So this is one thing you should remember. When it comes to Pyrex glass, normally soda lime glass, which is known as, which of the following is responsible for blue baby syndrome? Nitrate is the main constituent. Because of that we have the problem for a blue baby syndrome. When it comes to mercury, you have Minamata disease. It may be affected your brain. And we have the study of pollution. There SPM. What exactly the abbreviation of SPM? I want you guys to have a look. So SPM stands suspended particulate matter, and with this only we can identify easily the pollution content. The chemical name of gamaxin, normally gamaxin is used in home for the ants killing. So benzene hexachloride is the one which is the chemical name of gamaxin. Fermentation of ethyl alcohol into acetic acid is done by the bacterium which is known as Mycoderma aceti. So you should know about this fermentation process. So what is happening? Ethyl alcohol is converting into acetic acid, which is a fermentation. In this bacterium, what bacterium is used? Mycoderma aceti. We should know about hydrogenation, vanaspati oil into ghee. So all these process is very important. We have galvanizing process, hydrogenation process, fermentation process. You know about this fermentation, like lactobacillus bacterium converting into curd into milk into curd. So it is one type of fermentation process only. Enzymes are proteins. You should know about enzymes. They are all proteins, guys. When it comes to carbohydrates, normally we get from the rice. The more you boil the rice, the carbohydrates gets less. Which causes explosion? Coal mines. In coal mines we can see methane, which is also known as marsh gas or biogas. Because of this you get an explosion in coal mines. When it comes to butane, normally you'll find in LPG cylinders. The noble gases you should know about, that belongs to the group of the periodic table is, we have different groups, periods. So in this group it is 18th, last column is 18th group, it is 18th group. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are all what? These are all zero valency or noble gases. The metal previously called as wolfram. So that metal is tungsten, guys. normally used in making of filament of bulbs. So here free nature metal is gold, copper is the maximum used in domestic wiring purpose. The micronutrients is supported by soil to plant is called as zinc, guys, very important. These are the micronutrients which are supported by soil to plants. Now we have something called as calverite is a telluride mineral containing gold. So you must know this calverite is the ore in which we can obtain gold. So this is the tellurite mineral which has got the gold. Cuprite is for copper. I want you guys to tell me what is for the zinc. Iron is for hematite. You know about the ore of iron. Which of the following is one of the main active sulfur containing compound present in garlic or onion? You can see you have something called as allicin. This is the one, because of this we get some burning sensation of eyes. So this compound is present in allicin, that is in garlic as well as onion. When it comes to casein, you'll find it in milk. When it comes to melanin, you'll find it in skin. Albumin, normally you'll find it in this protein in egg. Barium nitrate is used in signal flares and fireworks that burns in bright, that is, you know about barium nitrate, it gives a green flame during the crackers. So it gives a green flame. Which among the following metals has the highest electrical conductivity? That is for the silver, guys. The chemical name is Ag, and you should know about this. Maximum electrical conductivity exists in silver only. Electronic affinity is different. Electrical conductivity is different. So here highest electrical affinity is for chlorine. When it comes to lowest electronic affinity is for mercury. If I say least electrical conductivity, you will find in the oxygen, guys, which is known as golden fiber, jute, which is also known as natural fiber, which is a golden fiber, guys. When it comes to plant fiber, example we have from the plant it is obtained. We have the seeds in cotton also. They are known as BT seeds. I want you guys to comment me what is the abbreviation of BT seeds. So this is cotton is plant fiber. Husk fiber is coconut. You can see that coconut we will be using for various purposes. Silk we have, that is animal fiber, guys. Which is the chemical formula for oil of vitriol? That is H2SO4, guys. Rest all hydrogen sulfide, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, copper sulfate. So chemical formulas. Which is the chemical formula of ethanoic acid, CH3COOH. We have CHCl3 is, that is you should know about chloroform. C6H12O6 is glucose. Which is emulsion? Example, milk, curd, egg yolk, these all are emulsive liquids, guys. Should know about them. The metamorphic rock, quartzite is the one which is the metamorphic rock. When it comes to hematite, it is a sedimentary rock. Platinum and chromite, these are igneous rocks. You should know about different types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, and respective elements from where we get this ore. Very important, guys. Silver fiber revolution is associated with we have rainbow revolution, various revolutions. In that, silver fiber is related to cotton. When it comes to honey, it's a golden one. Should know about all this revolution process. The ocean acidification is the ongoing decrease in the pH of Earth's ocean caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Because of this uptake of carbon dioxide, we have acidification in ocean, and the potential of hydrogen value of the earth, like ocean, we have going down. So this process, the more it goes down, the more acidic the water will be. Then we'll have the maximum impact on acid rains will have, and you will have impact on human body as well as on constructions like milk stone construction like Taj Mahal, which gets turned into yellowish. The valency of magnesium, it has been asked. So the valency, we have it 2, guys. So these are the few things, and don't underestimate my books. These are the few practice for Army GD, as well as we have various books like nursing assistant, We have CRP of BSF. You can see all the books behind. If you want, you can directly call me on 7667302252. I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you guys. If you have any queries, you can directly call me. Have a good day. Have a great life.